The Allen County Health Department is reporting a surge in respiratory illnesses. Some experts are calling it a tripledemic. As we approach family-oriented holidays, hospitals are bracing for an influx of patients. Fox 55's Brianna Bias spoke to one of those local hospitals about what they've experienced thus far. So, Bree, what did they tell you?
Yeah, well, Tara, Lutheran Health specifically tells me that they have seen a large influx of patients with those respiratory illnesses recently. And that term that you used, it's floating around, tripledemic. It can sound a little bit scary, but it simply means that there are 3 distinct respiratory illnesses going around at the same time. Right now, those being the flu, RSV, and COVID-19. And the Allen County Health Department tells us that in November alone, Allen County saw 4 deaths and more than 1,200 positive cases related to COVID-19, those being the ones that were reported to the health department. Of course, that doesn't include any of the positive cases that went unreported. And Dr. Dominic Martinello with Lutheran Hospital tells me their staff can certainly corroborate that story as they're dealing with an influx of patients. And here are a few of the symptoms he says they've been seeing.
That may be everything from cough, congestion, runny nose, to more common viral type symptoms, the body aches or the myalgias. And of course, that deep-rooted cough that we've seen throughout the COVID epidemic still has been quite prevalent in our patients.
And while many of us are less cautious about COVID than we were over the past few years, Dr. Martinello says it's still just as important, especially for those with compromised immune systems. So what can you do to avoid getting sick this season? Well, it's all of the usual things. He recommends washing your hands regularly, getting the updated booster shot, and not sharing utensils while you're at a holiday gathering. Live in studio, I'm Brianna Bias, Fox 55 News.
All right, Bree, thank you for that.